Hello everyone, my name is Nick Jerson, and today I'll be showing you how to link your Revit models with Lumion 3D, the free version. Lumion is a 3D rendering software that uses Revit, Trimble SketchUp, ArchiCAD, and other CAD software models to transform them into something different. Once the models are in Lumion, you are able to change trees, add landscaping, people, cars, and also change the materials of the model themselves by using a library that is provided for you by Lumion. Lumion is a software that is used for both sales and advertising. People use it to sell buildings, they use it to dress up their models for various different reasons. But after you work in Lumion and you make your model what you want it to be, the final product that you get is either a video, an image, or a real-time walkthrough. Linking your Revit model to Lumion is very easy. The first step is to go to the Lumion website and search for Revit to Lumion Bridge or Collada Exporter. Both of these will work. I tried both of them and they both do work. However, for this example, I use the Collada Exporter. Since a full version of Revit is needed to export to Lumion, I had to do this portion of the assignment at school. But I can show you on the screen how simple it actually is. The first step is open up our model, and I pulled up our exterior view. After doing that, I clicked on add-ins, clicked on external tools, and the Collada Exporter was right here. I clicked on it and a box came up that allowed me to save it to my jump drive. So from that jump drive, I am now going to be able to show you how to add that into Lumion. When you open up Lumion, this is the first screen that comes up, at least in the free edition. As you can see, there is a lot of different backgrounds that you can use to place your model in. I picked a nice sunset screen. And now I'm going to show you how we can place our model into this program. First step is to click this, and these are the options that I loaded from my jump drive. After choosing the file that I want to place in my Lumion model, I click on it and then I click anywhere in the space provided here on the screen and it will place the model. As you can see, the hotel is there. The quality isn't good, especially on this free version. You can see that there is a water stamp that is provided, and it's very limited on what you can do. Basically, all you can do is place an image. It doesn't let you do much. I have a model in Lumion. I'm going to discuss briefly both the pros and cons that come along with using this program. We'll start with the pros. Lumion links very, very easily with Revit. As shown, the step took less than, I'd say, 5 minutes for me to get done once I figured out that I actually needed the full version to get it to link to Lumion. Another pro is that Lumion does a great job of making it look very realistic. As I'll show later on here in this video, I'll show you a finished example of what our model could look like if I had the real version and the real Revit software on my computer, and my computer was able to handle it. The next thing is that Lumion is very easy to use. Just reading through some of the online forums, I heard nothing but good reviews about the program. Everyone raves about how easy it is to use. You're able to make a video in roughly 10 minutes, most say. Also, Lumion also includes a large library of tools and content that you can use. The library includes materials and trees and different cars, stuff like that, just to make it all look realistic. And it's great for rendering large areas. There were some examples online where people actually rendered a whole town, made it all look realistic, and it ran well. Obviously they have a computer that's a lot better than mine. Taking a minute to look at some of the cons of Lumion, one can see that it takes a very large computer to run even the free edition that they provide for you. The software that they give you also has the watermark on it, and I did look into some of the pricing. If the school was to order this software, it would be roughly $300 per seat. And for me to buy it personally, it'd be over $4,000. Now between that and buying the full version of Revit, which you would need to link your model into the software, that's well over 10 grand, and that's very expensive. So that's why I viewed it as a con. Because I wasn't able to do much with the free version that they provided for me, I wanted to give you a brief look at what can actually be done in Lumion, because it is very impressive. And here's just a little video showing what can actually be done in Lumion. As you can tell, everything looks very realistic. Everything from the water to the birds that are flying to the people that are walking around. Also the inside of the buildings, that you're able to pan around and look around. It's very, very realistic. I want to thank you for your time in watching me link my Revit model to Lumion 3D.